Patanjali was himself an enlightened master, right? He was a great master of meditation and the entire yoga. Actually, they are not vanished. Patanjali is not vanished. Patanjali is still available. You can connect with him. Buddha is still available. You can connect with him. Nobody dies completely. Even you leave your bodies, but still you remain in the existence. Even you attain the nirvana. Nirvana is, means breaking the cycle of birth and death. This is called nirvana. But still, you are in this existence. So, what is more important is you apply the techniques, because techniques are eternal. Principles are eternal. They just discovered the principles. They have vanished, but the principles always remain. We will vanish, but the principles will always remain. And later, when you will become a teacher, then you also will share the same principles, same knowledge. We are just a vehicle, we are just a medium, we are just a channel through which those principles have to flow. And anybody who lives in the principles, who apply the principles means techniques or theory, will be benefited. So about meditation, because people are suffering from so many disorders, mental problems, mental issues, not only mental, but life issues also. So the life is very mysterious. And when you practice advanced meditation, then you cleanse your life. You cleanse your life and you make your life very white. The life which was black, the life which was mixed, you are cleansing. You are making it pure white light. No spot, because a spot cannot be concealed in the white canvas, right? So make your life so white, no spot will be, there. No spot can be digested. So make your life absolutely white. So meditation is cleansing. Meditation is cleansing of your life. Saying goodbye to worries, saying goodbye to the tensions, saying goodbye to the problems. That doesn't mean that problems will not come. Problems will come, but you will not be affected. So meditation, all the masters of meditation teach some techniques. And in this course, you'll be learning Patanjali's approach to meditation, and then Buddha's approach to meditation. And you will find both are similar. So there have been two great masters of meditation. First, Patanjali and Buddha. There are many, but I would advise you to go with these two guys, Patanjali and Buddha. And then you'll find they are very scientific, they are very practical. And if you apply even 20%, you will see the massive. Then what about 50%? If you apply 50%, then that will be different. What about 100%? That will be different. And then you will emerge as a Buddha, you will emerge as a master like Patanjali, like Buddha, irrespective of your gender, irrespective of your any background. Everybody has right to be master. Everybody has right to be enlightened. Everybody has right to live the life of complete blessings, blessed life. Everybody has right. But people don't value. Therefore, they live depressed life. They live, unsatisfied lives. They live unquenched, unsatisfied, discontent, and hazardous life. But meditation teaches us to be very appropriate, ideal, exemplary. When somebody sees you, says, wow, your life is, you are amazing. If they don't know about your life, at least they know you, right? Nobody can know you completely. Everybody will know you about only 5% of you, because only 5% you manifest. 95% remains hidden, right? But we have to work on 95%, which are inside. This is like iceberg tip. Iceberg tip is very less percent, but more percentage remain inside the water. Similarly, everybody is like that. If you claim that I know this person very well, this is false claim. You cannot know anybody unless you are a yogi, unless you are an awakened one, unless you are an enlightened one, you cannot know anybody. If you are an enlightened one, then you can know everybody. In completely 360 degree, you can know, because you have that kind of insight. You have that much clarity. Normally, people don't have clarity. They see only how you appear. They see only the tip of the iceberg, right? They don't see these hidden things. If anybody has that ability, then yes, then only they can know you, who you are, right? And meditation is not for an hour practice, not for 30 minutes practice. But this is the complete 24/7 practice. Whether you are waking, whether you are sleeping, whether you are dreaming, or whether you are in transcendental state. There are only 4 states of being. One is, in Sanskrit, this is called sushupti. Sushupti means sleeping. People are sleeping. So there are 2 types of sleep. One is complete sleep, when your mind also shuts down. When you sleep, you're completely gone. This is called sleep state. One is Sleeping. Second is called dreaming. Dream. Visualization. Imagination. This is called dream. Third is wakeful. When you are wakeful. Like right now you are awake. So this is third state you are in. And fourth is transcendental. That is during meditation. When you practice meditation, then you remain in transcendental state. Although you are wakeful, although things are there, but you remain transcendental. There is four states only. So in whatever states you remain an enlightened one. You remain a yogi.